the realm of chemistry, concealed with the atoms and molecules that surrounds us, unfolds a fascinating dance that influences our daily existence. The intriguing occurrence of chemical reaction. To understand the chemical reaction, we must first appreciate the fundamental concept that matter is composed of countless tiny particles, and these tiny particles are in constant motion. At the heart of every chemical reactions are atoms and molecules. These entities interact, combine, and recombine to create substances we encounter in our world. Chemical reaction is often described as chemical equation, which represents the transformation of reactants to products. Come on, let's do an experiment. For example, a simple combustion of a candle can be represented by the equation, which is C4H10 plus 13O2 yields to 8CO2 plus 10H20. As the candle burns down, it undergoes a chemical reaction, releasing heat and light energy as well as producing carbon dioxide and water. But what drives a transformation like this? What are the underlying forces that govern this chemical reaction? At the molecular level, chemical reaction occur when the reactant particle collides with sufficient energy and proper orientation. Chemists use energy diagram to visualize this reaction. The reactant starts with a certain amount of energy. As the reaction progresses, they pass through a transition state before reaching a lower energy product state. Activation energy is the energy required to initiate a chemical reaction. It acts as a barrier that the reactant particle needs to overcome in order for chemical reaction to occur. There are various factors that influence chemical reaction. These includes temperature, concentration, and presence of catalysts. Catalysts are substances that speeds up the reaction by lowering the activation energy. It provides an alternative pathway which requires less energy, allowing interaction to occur quickly. Chemical reaction is all around us, from the food that we eat, to the fuels that power our cars, to the very air that we breathe. In the world of biology, chemical reactions are the driving force behind life itself. Within a cell of every living organism, complex reactions occur to sustain life. A symphony of transformation that defines the very essence of our world.